Hi everyone. Today we are going to see about ideal solutions. What is ideal solutions? Which follows Raoult's law. What is Raoult's law then? Think of that you are boiling water in a closed container. So the water vapor which causes the pressure, that is pressure of water. And think of you're boiling something else like glycerin. By boiling glycerin, you get the pressure of glycerin, vapor of glycerin, and the vapor pressure of glycerin you'll get in the container. So by mixing those two, water and glycerin, now you're boiling it, right? So these two vapor pressure together causes a pressure, right? So what Raoult's law says, the partial pressure of glycerin plus partial pressure of water gives the partial pressure of the mixture of those two solutions, right? So over here, ideal solutions, which by mixing these two substances, no change in volume. So that means delta V mix is equal to 0, no change in volume by mixing those two substances. And delta H mix is equal to 0, which means no enthalpy change on mixing these two. And you should know a perfect ideal solution cannot be formed practically, but several solutions are dilute solutions which behaves as ideal solutions. Example, N-hexane, N-heptene mixture, benzene and toluene mixture. What is toluene? Benzene ring with CH3. Ethyl bromide mixture ethyl bromide and ethyl chloride mixture, chlorobenzene and bromobenzene mixture. These are all ideal solutions, right? Which follows Raoult's law. So by mixing two liquids A and B form ideal solutions according to Raoult's law. What is P? Pa plus Pp. So just take this, don't confuse with these things, which means suppose ethyl bromide and ethyl chloride resistance, Pa will be pressure of ethyl bromide and Pb will be pressure of ethyl chloride. So by adding these two, sum of these two will give you the pressure, right? Okay. So over here, what is the relationship between composition of solution and composition of vapor about the solution? So just a partial pressure is equal to mole fraction in gas phase, which means in vapor phase, into total pressure, which means total pressure of both the solution, right? So, or you can write mole fraction in gas phase is equal to partial pressure by total pressure of both the solutions, right? Okay, non-ideal solutions. What is non-ideal solutions then? Which does not follow Raoult's law. That means what is it? Delta V mix is not equal to 0. Delta H mix is not equal to 0. What are they? Non-ideal solutions showing positive deviations or negative deviations. So here are some of the examples given for positive deviations. Water plus ethanol, carbon tetrachloride plus benzene, acetone plus ethanol, acetone plus carbon disulfide, cyclohexane with ethanol. All these are non-ideal solutions with positive deviations. Okay. So what does this mean? So over here, A bond B molecular interaction forces lower than AA or BB. What does that mean? So between the ethanol, suppose you are taking water plus ethanol, between ethanol molecules, the intermolecular forces will be higher than between water and ethanol. So between water molecules, the intermolecular forces are higher than the bond intermolecular forces between water and ethanol. That's what they are saying here. Okay. So because of this reason, the force of attraction among these component molecules decreases after mixing them. Because since it is decreases, it shows positive deviation. So positive deviation in the sense over here, the boiling point is relatively lower than the pure components. I mean, the boiling point of water will be less than the mixture, right? Boiling point of ethanol will be less than the mixture like that. So over here, what is it? PA, pressure the total pressure is more than, total pressure in the sense, here you can say, yeah, P total. pressure of total in the sense mixture of water and ethanol, for example, which is greater than pressure of A and pressure of B. All right, mole fraction of the pressure of. So over here, delta H mix is equal to positive, delta V mix is equal to positive. Okay, so positive deviation, which means increases, enthalpy increases, volume increases, right? Over here, non-ideal solutions showing negative deviations from Raoult's law. A few examples are given here. Water with hydrochloric acid, water with nitric acid, chloroform with acetone, chloroform with benzene. So these are all actually, if you see here, force of attraction between A, B are more than A bond A and B bond B molecule, which means suppose you take water and hydrochloric acid, the force of interaction between water and hydrochloric acid will be higher than the force of attraction between HCl, than between water molecules, right? So which means water bond HCl. So bonding between water and HCl will be more than, the force of interaction is more than between water molecules and between hydrochloric acids, right? Okay, why? It is because of hydrogen bonding. Okay, we know hydrogen bonding is the strongest bond. So among the what is it? Forces, intermolecular forces, right? Okay, so that's what non-ideal solutions are. So which means over here P total is lesser than the mixture, which means delta H mix is negative, delta V mix is negative. So in the next class we'll see isotropic mixture. Bye.